Thinking about moving from a house to an apartment, downsizing can feel like a big change, but for many people, it's one of the smartest moves they ever make. Here are 5 great reasons why downsizing might be right for you. First, it saves money. Apartments usually come with lower rent or mortgage payments, and you'll also spend less on utilities, maintenance, and property taxes. That means more money in your pocket each month for things you actually enjoy. Second, less space means less upkeep. Forget mowing the lawn or cleaning a bunch of extra rooms. With an apartment, maintenance is usually handled for you, which gives you more free time to relax or focus on your hobbies. Third, apartments often come with convenient amenities like gyms, pools, and security, all included in your rent. That can add real value without extra cost or effort. Fourth, downsizing helps you declutter and simplify your life. Moving into a smaller space pushes you to keep only what matters most, creating a cleaner, more organized home environment. And finally, many apartments are in central locations close to shops, restaurants, and public transport. That can make your lifestyle easier and more connected. If you're ready for a simpler, more affordable, and more convenient way of living, downsizing might be the perfect next step. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more.